we are invite from the different tradition and different belief, so we can get the more information on their perspective to ensure that our guideline is comprehensive.
Assalamualaikum and hi guys. Previously, we have met the researcher that was talking about their scientific research, all about sciences, biology, physics, chemistry. But then today, we're doing something new. So we're going to meet the researcher that was doing research on Tasamuh guideline, like the research in the Islamic perspective, but can be applied to all of the Malaysian communities. So let's go and meet Prof. Khadijah.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khadijah binti Mohd Hambali. I'm the professor at Department of Aqidah and Islamic Thought, Academy of Islamic Studies, Universiti Malaya, as well as the director at Universiti Malaya, Center of Civilizational Dialogue. Garis Panduan Tasamuh, Multi-Ethnic Malaysia is the Tasamuh guidelines to strengthen our multi-ethnic and multi-religions relationship. We have divided our research to the 4 programs. One, we try to elaborate more on the conceptual of Tasamuh. What's the meaning, what's the concept of Tasamuh within the multi-ethnic and the multi-religion perspective, and how the interfaith and the intra-dialogue can strengthen the Tasamuh guidelines. The second program, we more focus on the Sharia and the law in perspective, Islamic perspective. And the third program, we focus more on the fiqh and the hukum hakam. And the fourth, we focus more on the education. The education is the method or the mechanism to strengthen the guidelines, and then how we can educate the students so that they can ensure all people can live together within the Tasamuh guidelines.
So it's a very comprehensive guideline, I would say.
Yes, inshallah. And that's why we have to ensure that guidelines will cater all the multi-ethnic and the multi-religions people in Malaysia. So we also have the focus group discussion. We are invite from the different tradition and different belief, so we can get the more information on their perspective to ensure that our guideline is comprehensive.
The changes to come from us. Dan kita perlu memastikan bahawa dalam menghormati akidah dan mempertahankan akidah tiap-tiap agama, kita juga mesti memastikan tindak laku kita tidak akan menyakiti atau menyusahkan orang lain.
This is actually prinsip kedua negara, kesetiaan kepada raja dan negara. So sometimes under faith or on Muslims or non-Malays, they have issues and then they say, okay,
it's not a single attribute that we are talking about tolerance. It's the basis of the oneness of mankind. When we understand this, the oneness, the higher nature of man finds its expression.
So that is also emphasized on the RMK13 that we must live together with harmony, with the prosperity. We also ensure that our positive elements such as loving, caring, the muhibbah, the acceptance, that's also we count in our Tasamuh guidelines.
So basically, the importance of this Tasamuh guideline is for us Malaysians to live in harmony and to try and learn about other religions, about Islam as well, so that we can live happily and in aman damai. This is not just a research, but it is a recipe for unity. So, if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment and don't forget to leave a like as well. This is it for this episode. So, bye-bye!